Welcome to the Drop a Class tutorial. We will show you how to drop a class from your study list. There are a few places to drop a class. 1. From Classes main menu under the Enrollment column. 2. From the Study List page. 3. From the Study List widget. For this tutorial, we will drop from the Drop a Class from the main menu. This page shows the classes that are eligible to be dropped from your study list. Make sure you're in the appropriate term. Select a class that you wish to drop by checking the box. Let's drop Anthropology 9. A message will prompt you to confirm your action to drop the class along with all associated sections. At this time, you may decide to exchange this class for another class rather than to drop the class. Once you've confirmed the decision to drop, a message appears that indicates the drop was successful. If it was unsuccessful, it will give you an explanation of why you could not drop the class. This concludes our video.